Hey y'all, I am going to show y'all a decision I've made. Y'all saw something that I purchased, and I really do like it, but I've just not been square with the decision. And that was the Humble Lamb brand, which honestly I can say the brand Humble Lamb is top quality. If you've got the money and you can spend it, I would definitely say it's worth it. But for me, I had to rethink this, and you're going to see why in just a minute. So I got the Humble Lamb, His Story Bible, and I can link the video below of the unboxing of that. And one of the things was what's called the Humble Shield, which it is basically like a messenger bag that you can put the Bible in. And I can tell you it's a really good quality leather. I showed the bag. It's got this emblem on it. I just now noticed it more. It's a lamb. It's a humble lamb. Hello. And it's in a shield. That's because this protects the Bible. So you when you're carrying it to church or life group or Bible study, or just if you want to go somewhere and have a picnic and study outside and you just want to carry it, you carry it. I would put it in the back section. It also has a little pouch you can put it in to protect it. But the really cool thing is in the other section, there is multiple things. There is pockets, place for pens and highlighters, a big zipper pouch for things, and so it also has a shoulder strap, or you could just carry it like a satchel clutch, just under your arm like that, or you can put the shoulder strap on and carry it like a purse. You could just not have the Bible in it and carry it like a purse. It is very unisex, and the fact that it doesn't have really a masculine or a feminine look. So my husband, even as masculine as he is, this looks like a messenger bag that a man can carry. He'd probably tell me it's a little too small for him, but you could. So why am I sending it back? It's $220. That and the Bible is also $220. So it's $500, and it's like, I have so many Bibles, even though that one's unique. I'm really having to struggle with whether or not to send the Bible back. But here's why I'm pretty sure I'm going to send the messenger bag back. Not because it's not quality, not because it isn't a good price, because for $220, that's a good price for this. Let me show you something that's very, very similar. This is my ASPINAL of London handbag. Look at that. Now, this is definitely more structured, a little more elegant looking. This is much more casual. But let me show you another bag I just got. This is from LATICO. And let me just hold these up next to each other. It's going to kind of be weird. Look. Y'all don't keep picking the same kind of bag or what? Now this was for the Bible. This is a casual handbag. So it clearly is casual. Here's the thing. This is the bag I've been carrying for like a week. And on the front, it has a place for my cell phone to slide right in. I literally can slide it right in and have it at my disposal at any time I want. It's got a handle I can just grab. It's one handle in the middle. It's got one long strap, so I can carry it over my shoulder. Or if I want to, I can make it crossbody by just letting one of the straps go down, and it turns into a long strap, and it can go all the way over my body. It also has an outside pocket that's got a zipper if I want to put my wallet in there. It also has two inner pockets. I'm going to take some things out of the way. It's got two inner pockets. One side has got a little thing for your credit cards, up to 3 pens there, and a zipper pouch on this side. And then on this side, it's got a really large place to put like your hand sanitizer or tissue or compact, all of which I have in there, so that it's quick and handy. And then it's got a very deep pouch, so I can put in things like makeup pouch, my, y'all know I always carry my little, I call my Medi pouch. It's got medicines like a breather and Tylenol, Band-Aids, Tums. Even though I'm not a huge fan of Tums, I really like my Gins. They are ginger, which they also help your stomach, but don't have the downfall effects of Tums. But, if you're feeling like you're fixing to throw up, you're going to do what you're going to do. And then also this is my kind of catch-all that has my scissors and things like that in it. So, and this is also, both of these sections zip shut. So this is, I can grab it by the handles and throw it over my shoulder, or I can just let them drop and grab it by this and throw it in the car. I can carry it on my wrist like that. Just like that. Or I usually just use this to pick it up and put it in the car. And then I use these to just put over my shoulder. Or if I want to do crossbody, I can just let one of them drop. Look how easy that is. And just put it all the way over. Now, out of the two, which one would you keep? Both of these are not very similar at all to the ASPINAL of London. It's also from London. It's a shiny, high quality, almost like a Florentine leather. It's a different kind of bag. It's a little more formal bag. These are both casual. And they both have the credit card slots. They have places for pens. They're both very large. This one is a little more structured, and I like that it has the three different ways you can handle the handle. A little one, two that I can loop over my shoulder, or one that you can let that whole big loop go down and do it crossbody. This has just got a shoulder strap. Could I put my Bible in that one? Yes, it could fit. This is a little bigger, but it's not as functional as that one. So I have decided to send this back, and because I have so many Bibles, y'all, I feel like I need to send that little Bible back. And it's beautiful. It's elegant. It's got beautiful artwork. It's very good, high quality leather. Both the leathers are high quality. And that's really what I think you're paying for, is that high quality leather. So yes, I am going to send them back because it's such a big expense for me right now. And I'm really thinking hard about retirement living and retirement costs. I am still wearing my nice cream necklace, I guess you can see. And earrings. That's what I wore to work today. I think it's going to have to focus. There we go. Yeah, I always got to move back for it to focus now. Somehow I've messed up my depth of field. I need to learn my camera again, all over again. But anyway, so I just was going to give you all that update on the fact that I showed you this beautiful thing, and both of them, and now I'm sending them back. But there was a reason why. So anyway, what do y'all think of my reasoning? And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.